Let me show you how to create dripping effect in Photoshop. Go to the filter, click on Liquify. Drag the image according to your wish. Click on OK button. Duplicate the layer. Click on the duplicate layer. Right-click on the image and do flip horizontally. Decrease the opacity. Add the layer mask. Take the brush tool. Move the brush over the desired area. Now click on the copy layer and drag it a little. Again, move the brush over the desired area. Your dripping effect is ready now. Hope you like this video. Do like, share, and subscribe.